For our next design, we are going to now create a collectible. A collectible is an item which can be collected by the player to increase the score. So what we're going to do for this is the same as we've done with the previous ones, is right click on sprites, go to create, and then go down to sprite. We're then going to call this S collectible, and then edit image. Now this time, what I'm going to opt to do is create a coin. And I'm going to use this ellipse tool here, and you'll notice this tool has got two parts to it. So if I use this tool here, this is just the outline, and then this one will actually fill in the correct color. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click on the gold, and I'm now going to just draw a circle. Now notice I haven't filled the entire circle, that's fine, I don't need any more than that. But then what we're going to do is you're going to put a number on the top here. So this is going to increase the score by a certain number. So if I click on the add layer, and what we're going to do then is use the text tool here, and I'm going to single click here with the text. And what we're going to do is I'm going to put a number 1 in here. Now you'll notice you can't really see it, and the reason being is whenever you use GameMaker and you use the text tool, it's using the last color that you've used. So if I highlight this for a second and change the color, we'll go for something quite dark. You can now see that the color is there. Now this is really important. With GameMaker, you can only edit the text whilst you have drawn it. As soon as I click off it, it'll save it, and then it can't be edited again. If I need to make a change, I'll have to redraw it. So if we need to make it bigger, we now have the option to make it slightly bigger. So you can see this number 1 here. I'm going to increase the size using the size tool on the top. And if we go to size, say 16, press enter, you can see that's gone a lot bigger. We can also bold it to make it stand out. Now what you'll notice is this has actually gone off my circle that I've made, so we need to move it. Now fortunately, because I've put this on a separate layer, if I click on the move tool and commit changes, I can still move it around and do anything I need to do with it. But as I said earlier, once you've drawn the text once, if I click again and try to edit it by clicking on it, it doesn't allow me to. Now what you're going to need to do is once you have created your collectible, you need to then close it. And then once again, you can save it by closing it down. If you wish to animate it, if you have time, please feel free to do so.